Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Sign into the same Google account for both Google Forms and Google Calendar, and enable any workspace add-ons if required. Once done, open the target Google form and click the add-ons icon to search for a calendar integration tool, such as an appointment scheduler add-on. You do this now because add-ons bridge forms to calendar. Make sure to grant requested permissions promptly. This avoids later auth errors and speeds the linking process. Next, install and open the chosen calendar add-on, then follow its configuration wizard. You map form fields to calendar event fields, assign a title, date and start time, and description, because calendar needs structured inputs to create events. Also set your time zone, default event duration, and map the respondent email field to create attendees. Once your mappings are complete, run a test submission from the form to verify that events appear in the correct calendar. This validates. Finally, choose whether to enable automatic event creation or keep a manual approval step in the add-on settings. You make this choice based on control versus convenience. Test with a couple of submissions and confirm events show up in the intended calendar. If events are missing, check add-on permissions, ensure mapped fields use supported date/time formats, and verify time zones match. If problems persist, disable and re-enable the add-on or re-grant permissions. Then retry a test submission to clear cached auth errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.